Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie and today I'm going to be doing a makeup video for you guys. Okay, so this is still on the review slash try on. Okay, we do have the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum Foundation, and we also have the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. I'm going to go ahead and do a side-by-side comparison between the Yummy Skin between the Serum Foundation and the Blurring Powder. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face with the Makeup Primer. I'm like, why is it white? Oh, because I put sunscreen on. Okay, so one thing I've noticed too is like if I put the sunscreen on, it doesn't really matter what sunscreen. If I put sunscreen on before my primer, if I put sunscreen on it and I put my primer on my skin, it ends up giving like this white thing, but then it goes away. It's gone. So the Yummy Skin Serum Foundation, I have this one in the 20W shade, and for the Danessa Myricks Blurring Palm Powder, I have that in the shade 9. Let's go ahead and try this on here because it's just more convenient. Okay. And for this one, great question. So for this one, I'm actually going to go ahead and use my concealer first, just so that I can get the liquids out the way, if that makes sense. And if you want to know my thoughts on them individually, I literally have a video about that already. I think I'm going to post those first. I may just post all of this in just 1 week, but we'll see. I'm going to post this first though. I like this. Okay, and this is all I need for this side of my face. So this is how you open it for those who haven't watched the other video. Okay, it does have a little spoon thing, I guess, that you can scrape it with, but I don't use that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and scrape through and then just dab. I do apologize if the light is like going in and out. It's natural lighting. And if you're wondering why I'm using a brush instead of a sponge, again, go and watch the video that I put up. It's very much so detailed. And if you have not subscribed and liked this video, please go ahead and do so. I'll greatly appreciate it, and it's definitely gonna help more people to see this video and, you know, benefit from whatever it is that you're benefiting from. Okay. Without anything more being on my face, I do want to show you guys what my skin looks like. Okay, so this is the balm powder side, and this is the this is the serum foundation side. We're gonna use the Danessa Myricks Power Bronzer, and this is literally my go-to. Serum foundation is a medium coverage, while the powder is a light coverage. Okay, so light coverage, medium coverage, that's what they said. Okay, and then let me know, like everything I'm saying, let me know down below if you can actually see that. Okay, medium coverage, light coverage, radiant finish, natural finish. Okay, I'm trying to read what else they said. This is hydrating. Okay, this side right here is supposed to, it's a creme formula and it's good for dullness and uneven textures. Okay, and this side is also good for pores. So I'm hoping that you guys saw what I read. And this is supposed to be, this is a texture reducing, coverage boosting, blurring balm that balances oil throughout the day while maintaining hydration. This side is a skincare hybrid foundation with medium beautiful coverage that okay, that effortlessly creates a natural looking skin like glow. See for yourself. Serum foundation, blurring pan powder. So far, just let me know down below what your thoughts are alone by just seeing this with on my skin right now, and you see this right here. Go ahead and tell me which one do you even think you would like. This is my face done anyway. Okay, I'm gonna do my mascara and all of that jazz, and I will be right back to show you guys what that looks like after a few hours. It has been 9.5 hours since I've been rocking this beautiful situations going on my face, and again, here we go. Okay, so this is 9 hours. I'm in Houston. It's hot. Everything considered. Here we go. Oily skin. You get the point. Here we go. This is the side that has what? This is the what's the side? Girl, I can't think. Oh, what a day. I'm tired. This is the Serum foundation side, and this side is the balm side. Okay, so Serum foundation, balm side. And I don't know what you guys tell me what you think. Like, I don't even know. It's almost like I like this side, and this is so crazy to me because I'm just not understanding what happened then when I tried this on in the first place. But this is looking so beautiful on me. Like, I like the subtle glow, you know, and then I like this side because of just how matte it is, you know. But then I kind of like this side because it is giving me more coverage. But then I kind of like this side because even after 9 point something hours, this is still how this looks on my skin. This is crazy. Actually, to be honest, this is how both of them look on my skin after 9 point something hours. Like, this is crazy. Now, of course, you can see the shade difference, right? I feel like this side, the shade here matches me better than this side. This is probably going to be like by, you know, once, although summer has already started, but technically it hasn't, but whatever. Come like July or August, this is probably the shade I'm going to be. But like, this is looking really good, and I'm not understanding how it's so hot outside and my skin is skinning. Is it my skincare then? This is giving. I like the little, you know what I'm saying, the little radiance, you know, that's coming through. And then I love the side because of just how matte it looks, even though it's not considered a matte foundation, but just how natural I suppose it looks on my skin. But anyways, I'm gonna go. This is how this looks on my face after almost 10 hours. Okay, so once again, here we go. Serum. I feel like at this point, you guys should already know what side is what, right? So with this few points of mine, I hope that I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you to go get whichever one works, because they both work. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please, please, please. Let me know what side you love. Let me know what side you are digging, because this is looking beautiful on my skin, and I'm just amazed. I'm so amazed. I feel like 2022, it's looking good for us, okay? But yes, if you have textures, if you have acne, if you have all of that, please, I think this will be a perfect foundation for you. If you don't want nothing that's too much, I really think you can go with this one, because this one is lightweight, though it gives you like this blurring effect. I don't know how, again, like, how is it lightweight, but it's like blurring at the same time? I love it. I don't know it. I don't understand it, but I love it, okay? I'm a scientist, so I feel like my brain is braining at this point, but like, it looks really, really nice. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful, beautiful video. Okay, let me know what you guys got from it, and also please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, let me know what you guys want from me down below. What other foundations would you want me to try? I'll be happy to do so. Is there anything else? No, don't forget to be kind to yourself as well as others around you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.